This is Katie Allen from PG&E with an update on the public safety power shutoff beginning today. The weather forecast is calling for a dangerous combination of factors, with extremely low humidity, very strong winds, record dry vegetation, and many areas of severe to extreme drought. These conditions pose an increased risk of damage to our electric system and the potential for wildfires. As a last resort, given this risk to public safety, PG&E is shutting off power in certain areas starting today. Since Friday, we've been directly contacting customers who could potentially lose power. You can also see whether your home or business is potentially affected with our online address lookup tool. That's at www.pge.com/PSPS updates. To support our customers during this shutoff, we're opening a number of community resource centers. We'll have charging for devices available, as well as restrooms, water, and light snacks. Locations of these centers are also on our website. In addition, we have resources for customers with medical and independent living needs, such as backup batteries for medical devices and hotel and food vouchers. A list of these resources is available at www.pge.com/disability and aging. Finally, we encourage everyone to visit safetyactioncenter.pge.com for tips on how to prepare for a power shutoff. We absolutely recognize that these power shutoffs are disruptive. We appreciate your patience as we work to keep our customers and our communities safe and restore power as soon as it is safe to do so.